splash. Before we begin, I want to tell you one thing about these girls, and that is that they can act a lot like 3 years old kids. What I mean by that is that the trainer is going to come up here, and these girls are going to do everything the trainer asks. Susie!
Hello everybody!
Hi.
Well, before we begin, I want to tell you one more thing about these girls. And that is that they work for two things and two things only. The first one is going to come from me. Can you guys guess the first one? Fish. Cool, that's right. The second one is going to come from you guys, and that it's noise. So if you see these girls do...
Dancing.
Alright, we are...
Hi,
Thank you,
Lily.
girl. And right here, we have the grandma of the show, Zoe. Zoe is 20 years old. Can you say hello, Zoe?
Hello!
With a pretty smile. Thank you, Zoe. Now, Zoe, come to our family with a really please and think about pollution for everybody. Think. She's thinking across the world do come in contact with pollution, things that we leave behind. Soda bottles, plastic bags, things that these girls love to play with. Sometimes they can make a huge mistake and eat it. Lily, can you show everybody here? Come on guys, I need everybody together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Absolutely amazing. You guys over here, pretend you're over there. Sorry guys. And now Lily can make this entire fish disappear. I know it sounds impossible, but she's a great magician. Ready, Lily? No cheating. 1, 2, 3.
Good girl.
Hey girl, what is that? Terrible manners. What happens to sea lions with bad manners? What do we get? That's right, we get a little spanking. We have to work in your manners, young lady. Now when you come to see a sea lion show, you expect to see them balance a ball on their nose, right? You want to see Zoe balance a ball? So you have to get nice and loud for her.
3, 2, 1! I want a kiss.
I am not kissing you.
I don't want a kiss from you, I want a sea lion kiss.
Oh, sea lion kiss. Okay, which one?
Lily.
Sure?
Yeah.
Lily? Lily. Lily. She say
No.
no. Sorry.
Lily, please.
Lily, please.
No, you
Come on,
like.
be nice. Be nice.
Good job.
Good job, girl. All right, well, let's change the subject. Let's play one of the
Valentino.
favorite games.
How about the rings? They love that game.
Good idea. Let's
Wait,
play.
Susie, don't touch those rings with your fishy fingers.
Oh, okay. No, Lily. There. Can you see, Will?
Wait, Susie, I think Lily has fishy flippers. You have to clean her up.
Fishy flippers.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Hey, one more.
You were sea lion. Come on, Lily. All right, let's play, Lily. Yeah, how clean that is. That's Wilson.
Alright, Susie, I think I figured out why these girls are acting sassy today.
You think you figured out why these girls are acting sassy?
Yes.
I'm listening. Everybody here is listening.
Well,
Great. See you in impersonation. Good job, Zoe! And now our dancing queen, Lily. Come on, Lily.
A little.
Well, I bet you didn't know how well sea lions can food. Yummy. But don't worry, Lily here knows exactly what to do if she has a shark in her pool. Come on, Lily. Good job, Lily. But
That's how smart the sea lions are. My goodness. Very smart, genius, fun to watch.